This video features some of Marsa's most beautiful dive sites, where you can hope to see sharks, a sea cow, dolphins, and much more fascinating marine life. Getting things started with the legendary Elphinstone Reef, which is famous for its high probability to see some big guys. The reef top is just 1 to 3 meters under the surface and falls off dramatically. There are plenty of beautiful soft corals, and you have the privilege of seeing a variety of its habitats. Stars in this hood, however, are the sharks. We were lucky and saw 7 oceanic whitetips, which made this day very special and enjoyable for us. Sheik Malik is home to a roughly 6-year-old Dugong. This dive site welcomes you with the typical corals and pinnacles and the here living marine life. The star in this town, however, is a sea cow, which resides here and was a little bit sleepy when we had the privilege of a visit. Sometimes, if it's less sleepy, it also likes to interact with divers. Due to the seagrass, you have very good chances to also see some of my favorite animals, turtles. The dive sites around the Dolphin house are known for the high probability to see and to swim with dolphins. They're living in a protected zone, and it's up to them if they'd like to come out and interact with their human visitors. We were quite lucky, as this group of dolphins took out their baby for a quick chat with us. It's been such a privilege and unforgettable moment to swim with them. There are some other dive sites around, like this beautiful cave, the typical pinnacles and corals, surrounded by plenty of fish. Even though we didn't see no more dolphins, there's always something to discover in the Red Sea. If you like this video, please like, share and comment which other dive sites in Egypt belong to your favorite ones. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for future adventures.